This is a trading and research terminal for the Indian market. It finds opportunities across 500 stocks, and it can trade them for you automatically while you keep full control of the risk. Here it is in 2 minutes. Every trading day starts with one question: where did the money actually go? This is the sector heat map. Each box is a sector, sized by the money that traded in it, colored by how it moved. Green pharma, green retail, red IT, red oil and gas. One glance, and you know where the strength is. Click a sector, it opens into the stocks inside it. Next, which stocks are actually breaking out? A new high on its own means nothing. That is exactly how false breakouts trap you. So every breakout here is scored on 8 independent confirmations: volume surge, trend strength, the moving averages, momentum, liquidity. 8 out of 8 is a confirmed move. 4 out of 8 is still building. And the grey chips are the checks it failed. You are shown what is missing, not just what agrees. Want your own rules? The screener runs any condition across 500 stocks, on any time frame from 1 minute to monthly. Describe what you want in plain English and it builds the filter for you. Save it as an alert, and Telegram pings you the moment a stock starts matching. The great investors' checklists are built into Buffett, Munger, Lynch and Graham as actual testable rules. Return on equity, debt, margins, the Graham number. And it tells you the truth: most days, almost no Indian stock passes all of them. That is not a bug, that is what a strict value screen is supposed to look like. For options, the full chain is live, open interest, implied volatility, the Greeks, and the build-up on every strike. Long build-up, short covering, unwinding, all labeled, so you can read what the writers are doing instead of guessing from price alone. Now the automation. The swing trader buys the day's strongest setups and holds them for days or weeks. You set the rules: how much per trade, how many a day, and how you exit. The trailing stop matters most. It lets a winner run instead of capping it. And once a stock is up 8%, the stop never drops below what you paid, so a winner can no longer turn into a loss. It all runs on paper first. Real money is a switch you flip yourself. Backtest any of it on 4 years of real data before you risk a rupee, every charge and every tax included. And to be clear, this does not predict the market. Nothing does. It gives you a faster way to look, a rule you can test, and an exit you decide in advance. That is the whole pitch.